Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the Cosori Rice Cooker, a 10-cup versatile fuzzy logic rice maker. If you're curious about this product, we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the Cosori Rice Cooker stand out. This appliance is not just a simple rice cooker, it's a multifunctional kitchen gadget designed to cater to all your rice cooking needs. With its ability to prepare up to 10 cups of rice, it's perfect for families or meal preppers. But it doesn't stop there. This rice cooker boasts an impressive 18 cooking functions, allowing you to choose from different types of white and brown rice, 3 types of grains, and 3 types of oats. Additionally, you can steam vegetables, slow-cook soups, and sauté flavored rice, making it a truly versatile addition to your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Cosori Rice Cooker is its fuzzy logic technology. This innovative approach automatically adjusts the cooking process through a 7-step method, ensuring that your rice comes out fluffy and perfectly cooked every time. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this feature takes the guesswork out of cooking rice, making it accessible for anyone. Another highlight is the effortless cooking experience this rice cooker provides. With the automatic 24-hour keep warm function, your rice stays warm and fresh until you're ready to serve. Plus, the 24-hour delay timer allows you to set it up in advance, so you can come home to ready-to-eat rice after a long day. This is particularly useful for busy families or individuals who enjoy meal prepping for the week. If you're in a hurry, the quick rice feature is a game-changer. It allows you to cook white rice faster at a powerful 1000 W without compromising on taste or quality. So, whether you're short on time or simply want to whip up a quick meal, this feature has you covered. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but with the Cosori Rice Cooker, that's not the case. The non-stick ceramic inner pot and removable lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is a significant advantage for anyone who values convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. So, who is the Cosori Rice Cooker suitable for? If you're a busy parent who needs to prepare meals quickly, a college student living in a dorm, or even someone who loves to entertain and needs to cater to larger groups, this rice cooker is ideal for you. It's also perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different types of grains and cooking methods, as it offers a wide range of options to suit various culinary preferences. Now, let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day at work. You can set the delay timer in the morning, and by the time you're back, you'll have perfectly cooked rice waiting for you. Or perhaps you're hosting a dinner party and want to impress your guests with a variety of side dishes. With the steaming function, you can prepare healthy vegetables alongside your rice effortlessly. And for those lazy weekends, why not try slow cooking a comforting soup that simmers while you relax? In conclusion, the Cosori Rice Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that can simplify your cooking routine while delivering delicious results. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this rice cooker can meet your needs and help you explore new culinary horizons. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.